The question is, the work done by the string of a simple pendulum during one complete oscillation is equal to A. Total energy of the pendulum, B. Kinetic energy of the pendulum, C. Potential energy of the pendulum, D. 0. Is when pendulum moves from point A to point B. This is point C. When it moves from point A to B and returns to point A, then one oscillation is completed. So as we know that work done is equal to force into displacement. During one complete oscillation, the displacement is 0. So work done will be equal to force into, as displacement is 0, so work done will be 0. So the correct option will be D, 0.